Hey everyone, I'm John Kovac, Product Manager here at AccuRide. Today, we're going to install a pair of our enhanced 3832 slides. Today I'll be using the classic version of our slide, which are side mount slides with a 100-pound load capacity. For this installation, I'll be using the tools pictured here. Before starting, be sure to mark your installation points. Check out the technical sheet for detailed measurement information. Step 1. Separate the slide members by using the disconnect levers. Mark the center of your drawer opening, and then use that center point to mark the placement for your slide. Ensure your slide is level, and then mark drilling locations in the cabinet structure using the oblong holes at the front and the rear of the cabinet member of the slide. Partially insert screws and line up the slide flush to the front of the cabinet. Once final adjustments are made, insert a screw into the indicated hole. Then remove the screw from the oblong hole. This will ensure that you get maximum benefit from the breathing tab. Make sure that the slide is in the closed position and that the ball retainer is at the front of the slide. Mark the center of the drawer. Then use that point to mark the placement line for the drawer member. For this installation, I've set back the drawer member an appropriate amount given my cabinet construction. Partially insert screws in the vertical holes at the front and the rear of the drawer member. Insert the drawer and make final adjustments. Once the drawer is in position, fully tighten the screws on the drawer member. And there you have it. Our pair of slides are fully installed. These are the 3832 Classics. Don't forget that we also have other flavors of our 3832 family, including the Easy Close and the Touch Release, even a detent out. So you can learn more about this product and other AccuRide products in the description below. Thank you.